Sanibona bafethu uVanelo. So kusasa iOrlando Pirates iyodlala imatch yayo yokugcina ngci eSpain lapho khona iyotholana khona neclub edlala kwiLa Liga bafethu iGranada. Kuzobe kuyimatch ebalekile kakhulu ke le for iOrlando Pirates ngoba kuzobe kuyimatch yokugcina ngci. After le match le bazobuyela kwiMTN lapho khona bayotholana nePolokwane City igame ezokubaleka kakhulu futhi nakhona. Orlando Pirates lama games esiwadlalile uAbdeslam I'm sure useyasathi scheme azosiqalisa kwiBetway Premiership nakuMTN. So nasi mina squad engasiqalisa uma sengithola ithuba regarding le match eyodlala iOrlando Pirates versus iGranada idlala kusasa abafethu ngo7 o'clock ebusuku ungaphuthelwa. So epalini first and foremost ngaqalisa abafethu udladla abafethu this guy for me I spoke about uDladla previously ngosikhathi iOrlando Pirates iyodlala against iLas Palmas. Ngasho ukuthi mina ngokwami ngiyafisa aqala umjida nangempela waqala uDladla mfethu. The guy was very good. The guy was good. Nakubona nani lokho bafethu uDladla for me the guy should be the number 2 or number 1 of iOrlando Pirates. Yabo if he continues being consistent angabu number 1 Orlando Pirates akwazi ukuba challenge labajidi. I feel like Sipho Chain benobuthelezi seberelax kakhulu. We need ugoalkeeper onjengoDladla uzofike angqongqoze lapha asho say sengikhona nami I can challenge you guys. I'm capable of getting that jersey Sipho Chain. I'm capable of getting that jersey Buthelezi. Mase ukuthi kuma center backs wami center back pairing angifuna ukuyishintsha kakhulu. Center back pairing yethi yasebenzela abafethu. Ubani uSibisi uNtombokazi. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngalabajida laba bafethu. Yes kuzoba khona inkinga mase kubuyile uNdayi. Yes kuzoba khona inkinga mase kubuyile isesane. Ucoach umela kwazi ukuthi isiphi ischeme awuset. Ibapha abadlali azobadlalisa because ngeke ubadlalisa abadlali bonke. Grounding idala abadlali abawu11. So right now this is my center back pairing okuSibisi noMbokazi. Ngangitshela wona ama comments yipi center back pairing ongayisebenzisa for Orlando Pirates uma ngase abadlali babe right balulame bonke because right now sesane vele usanesa injury yakhe uNdayi yena uyabuya ngempela umjida ngizwile kuthiwa uzobuya nje kuma games okuqala eMTN uzobe khona. So uNdayi uzobuya umjida mase kuthi kuyi wing back yami yokuqala right wing back ngoqalisa bani uVan Rooyen. Angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu bafethu uVan Rooyen uyena mjide engamdlalisa. Mase kuthi left wing back ngadlalisa uDion Hotto bafethu. uDion Hotto uyena mjide engamdlalisa same as uVan Rooyen. Labajide laba bama wing backs. Mase ucheck iPSG indlela edlala ngakhona they use ama wing backs. Orlando Pirates angazi ingenza kanjani but ngifuna Orlando Pirates idlalise kuPSG ukubona the way they use uMendes, the way they use uHakimi. Those guys they go up front and they add equality kuma attackers akhona ePSG. Labajide baba 2 they are both capable of doing that. I want to see Orlando Pirates edlala kanjalo because we have proper wing backs with Orlando Pirates. I don't know if ikhona enye team la kuBetway Premiership enama wing backs akude njengama wing backs Orlando Pirates. Mase ukuthi lapha endishini number 6 wami kusasa ngaqalisa uSelepe. Ngaqalisa uSelepe bafethu. I'm not saying last game uNduli akangidlalelanga kahle cha. Wadlala kahle bafethu uNduli. I'm not taking anything away from him but ke i-preseason le bafethu kumele sinikeze abanye abadlali ithuba. So ngaqalisa uSelepe because uSelepe last game umjida washesha waphuma because uSipho Chain wathola i-red card. So we had to sacrifice a player, so we sacrificed uSelepe. So kule game le ngamqalisa mina uSelepe athi kwathola ama minutes umjida uyadlala ngempela. We saw him isizini isiphela ukuthi umjida ngempela wesiphethe isizwe. So ngamqalisa uSelepe sikumnika confidence. Yes iyaqala izoqala iMTN. So we need players vela abajwayele ukudlala bathola ama minutes. So ngamqalisa mina uSelepe. Ngangitshela ama comments which player would you put in that position. Mase ukuthi phambi kwakhe uSelepe fethu. Yes it's a preseason guys, we must give these young boys ama minutes. uDansini bafethu this guy is quality. This guy is quality bafethu. Many people are underrating this boy. Angazi indaba underrated lo mfana lo bafethu. Lo mfana uyadlala. Lo mfana uyadlala bafethu kakhulu. Lo mfana bafethu uyadlala kakhulu. So mina ngamqalisa lapha eswini ngamqalisa benawo uSelepe. Yes I know abafana abancane they need some guidance but ke we need to see ukuthi badlala kanjani bendawo. We need to see ukuthi okay senifaka ke right now sinifaka against the club edlala kwiLa Liga nizodlala kanjani. So for me I would put these boys just for them to get some experience bathi uqina kancane ngibadlalisa noSipho Mbuli. Sipho Mbuli we need to give uSipho Mbuli ama minutes amaningi bafethu. This guy need to gel with the team Orlando Pirates. Usathana kufika. Yes he's our star player right now because we need a star player, we need a new star player. Sipho Mbuli is that guy esingabukela kuyena. So we need to keep him playing more games for Orlando Pirates for him to get that momentum because once you play more games ilapho khona ozoshisa khona, ilapho khona ozoregaina khona i-confidence yakho. Umjida confidence yakhe yabo ithe ukwehla kancane. So I'm happy for him ukumbona ejabule kanje nje ube ku-Orlando Pirates. You can see each and every video I see of Sipho Mbulu ujabulile ukuthi udlalele Orlando Pirates. So I want him to start igame yakusasa. So far nje baniyibona nje isquad epalini nginobani nginalo Mjida lo udladla center back pairing kube uSibisi benombokazi ukuthi wing back yami yaka right kube uVan Rooyen, left wing back kube uDion Hotto, mase kuthi esiswini kube uSelebe, uDansini noSipho Mbulu. Mase kuthi ki left wing I don't want to change izinto kakhulu bafethu. Left wing bafethu ngaqalisa bafethu lo Mjida lo uVan Rooyen. For me uVan Rooyen bafethu Mjida bafethu uyangidlalela bafethu. Sengithi uVan Rooyen azindawo ngithi uVan Rooyen oSinapolice. For me, I'll start Osinapolice on the left wing. Bafethu Mjida, he needs to play more games now. He's another player ekumele simdlalise more games because we don't know ukuthi uMfokeng usazohlala noma cha. Umfokeng I feel like Umfokeng naye uzohamba kule season. Ngenzeka join uNkota lapha kwazi ba. Nobody knows, maybe I'm joining Unkota. So we need to start our police more often. Abo simqalise our police mase kuthi la ka right ngimqalise bafethu uMfokeng. For me uMfokeng kumele adlale ama games with Osinapolice in the same match. We must play him on the right. I'm not saying akumele simdlale ka left, but when you check Osinapolice ayakwazi ukudlala ngala. So I opt for Umfokeng ukuthi adlale ngala because akumele kuhlalo yedwa ebenchini between the two of them. Akumele kuhlalo yedwa ebenchini bafethu. We need to win these games. Lama games kumele siwawin. Oqala nje Orlando Pirates kulama games esawadlalile sisakore igoli elilodwa, which is not good for i-team njenge Orlando Pirates. So kulama games bafethu mina, for me I would start Umfokeng with Osinapolice as our wingers, as our wide wingers bafethu. Wangitshela ama comments ungamdlalisa uThepha Morem, wangitshela bafethu ukuthi ungaqalisa ba wena lapha ka right. But ke for me I would start Umfokeng with lo Mjida lo Osinapolice. Masokuthi target man yami abantu abaningi I know mhlawumbe bazongicriticize abayithembi kakhulu intwana, but I would start lo Mjida lo Radio Man. For me Radio Man bafethu uyawa deserve ama minutes ku-Orlando Pirates. I saw him playing with Kosafa. I saw a striker with Kosafa. Ngosikhathi edlalela bafana with Kosafa. He was a complete striker. The boy needs some games. Kumele adlala ama games uMjida so sibone i-striker lesangempela ukuyikona ukuthi i-confidence yakhe isaphansi. I don't know when he wears ijezi le-Orlando Pirates maybe i-confidence yakhe iyehla, I don't know, but ke for me I think sizombona uMjida kule season. Uma i-Orlando Pirates i-decide ungamdayisi or ingamloan, sobona i-striker sangempela la, because we cannot loan a striker sifike kwi-team singadlali. Yakhumbula simloana kwi-Cape Town Spurs. Wafika kwi-Cape Town Spurs, he didn't do well kwi-Cape Town Spurs. Yabo, he didn't get many minutes, washawa nama injury. So kule season mayase Mjida aqhubeke abe consistent angalimali. We might see the best of uRadyopan. But ke iyona lineup mina yami engayikhetha le mase ngithola ithuba. Ungangitshela wona ama comments ithini lineup yakho. Ungayiphikise yami but ngitshele yakho. Epaleni udladla umbokazi benosibisi uVan Rooyen, uDion Hotto, Selebe, Dansini, benosipho Mbule. Kuthi ka right wing ngiqalise Umfokeng, kuthi ka left wing ngiqalise Osinapolice, mase uthi lapha up front ngiqalise bani uRadyopan. You can tell me your lineup. This is my lineup of Sport Club bafethu. Ungakhohlwa subscribe. Ngiyabonga ngesupport enginika nawe nabafethu.